Hi, today in this video we show you how to create a paper craft for Christmas. With this new video we will start to create something for Christmas that is around the corner. Okay, I will create in this video a bell with glitter paper. I think it's quite nice, and then you can hang your decoration to your tree, your Christmas tree, or to your door, as you prefer. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute Christmas bell. Okay, we will need glitter paper. We will need a sort of template that I've already cut. In this way, I took a piece of paper, created draw a bell, half bell, then I cut with a pair of scissors, and here the result. But I will put this template on my blog, so on below the video I will post the link to my blog and to this template. So we will need our template, a piece of glitter paper. In this case I will use the golden one. Okay, we will create in this way our bell with a pair of scissors. We will cut two pieces. If you want, I did in this way. I cut two pieces and then glue them together. But if you want, you can only create one and one piece of glitter bell. And you can also not cover the back. It's up to you. Okay, here our piece. Voila. Okay, this is okay. I've already cut the other one, so we can glue them together. Before glue them together, we will need to create this part, and for this part you will need a circle punch like this one and a piece of glitter paper, but this time in silver. Okay, also for 2 times we will need to punch 2 pieces of paper and then glue them together in this way. Okay, we can glue together. Okay, and we will create this part of our bell now. Okay, now we will need to glue this to our bell here in the middle. You can use this kind of glue or also the tacky glue as you prefer, and it depends which glue you have. Okay, now we will need to glue together these two parts. Okay, with some tacky glue, the vinyl glue, we will voila, cover our inside of our bell, and you can spread your glue with a toothpick. Okay, now we will need to glue together the two parts. Okay, voila, voila. Okay, leave it to dry, and then we will create this paper strip with a piece of glitter paper. If you don't have a rule, this, you can, or the cutter, you can cut this strip only with a pair of scissors. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we will glue this paper strip to our bell. Okay. Press down. Okay, then with a pair of scissors we will refine all the part of here, okay, then we will refine here, okay, and then you can refine this part and here. Okay, now we will need to punch a hole in order to hang our bell, and we will punch a hole here. Voila. Okay, you can enlarge your hole in this way. Okay, and then we will need this. Okay, we will tie the knot before, and then we will pass this part through our hole. Is a little small, we can enlarge. Okay, if you have a circle punch, the smaller one, you can also use the circle punch in order to create the hole. Voila, in this way. Voila. Okay, we will need only to refine a little here because there is the white part. Okay, here, and then if you want, you can finish your Christmas bell with a sentiment like this one, Merry Christmas. This is a sentiment that I bought at Hobbycraft in London, but you can bought this super cute sentiment, I think, on Amazon, or if you are in US, you can buy them at Michael's and many other craft stores. There is also Craft Stash online, above all for UK, but there are many around. Okay, we will glue this one with some tacky glue. here. Voila. Voila, our super cute bell for Christmas. I think they are so nice, and you can hang them to your Christmas tree. Sorry. Leave it to dry. You can hang them to your Christmas tree. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.